President Yoweri Museveni, together with the First Lady and Minister of Education and Sports Janet Museveni, have this evening addressed teachers at State House Entebbe. Museveni first expressed his sympathy for the challenges that have been faced by teachers during the lockdown, but noted that protecting the lives of learners from COVID-19 was paramount.
We had to kunzia our children, to put them where there was no this danger. And in 9 months, I have not heard that any child has died from corona. When you are talking, oh, the children got pregnant there. Okay, if they got pregnant, at least they are alive. Don't talk like children, please. Oh, they got pregnancy. What? Fine, fine. Pregnancy doesn't kill, it causes some problems. But it's not the same thing as dying.
Now, as government prepares to reopen the learning institutions for candidates and other finalists, Museveni has warned teachers and the heads of these institutions to comply with the guidelines that have been given.
We now think that it is safe to open for only the candidate classes. But don't say that we remain paralyzed because some people are not implementing COVID. No, they must implement. This is a war. We are in the war. We are in a war where 1 million people in the world have died.
Minister of Education and Sports Janet Museveni has also reassured teachers in private education institutions that all efforts are being undertaken to ensure that they get the 22 billion shillings that was given to them by the president.
We have discussed this with the Ministry of Finance and Economic Development, the Microfinance Support Center, together with the leadership of the teachers from private institutions and UNATU, to discuss these bottlenecks preventing teachers from accessing this money.
At the same event, the Director of Public Health at KCCA, Dr. Daniel Okello, has reassured teachers that the closure of schools in the event that a learner or a member of staff tests positive for COVID-19 will only be a last option.
As we are working on the SOPs with the Ministry of Education, the principle was to have continuity of learning. So, closing of a school will be an extreme measure. It won't be the first option.
Learning is expected to resume on the 15th of this month. Joyce Nakato, NTV Tonight.